Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 29 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we're going to be looking at our traditional scale pattern with exercise number 42.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So before the next few exercises, Marchesi actually writes at some point here, and she says all scales should be sung slowly at first, taking breath after each bar so that the voice may be well developed and equalized. The proper method of breathing is to stop after the first note of any bar, take breath during its remaining beats, and then start with the note just quitted at the beginning of a fresh bar. When the student is more advanced, the speed may be increased and 2 or more bars taken in one breath. So here is what's written. If you're looking at Marchesi number 42, you'll see that the scale starts on a B flat. Da, 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 da. That's where you would want to take the breath after the C, and then you would breathe again. Da, 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 da. Breathe again. So be very careful that you know that you're going to breathe after that next note, not after the tonic note. Okay? And then when you get more advanced, you can link those two together. Da 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 da, right? And so on and so forth. Okay, so let's give this a try. Okay, so that one is tricky as you end because I felt the need to either clunk into chest or to kind of smoothly guide it down, and then I slowed down. So what I would want to work towards in that one is seeing if I could keep the tempo at the end and switch registration smoothly but very quickly. So that you want to separate the idea of smoothing the registration with slowing down the pitch. So see if you can. It's pretty, it's also okay to go directly into chest voice, but I don't personally think that that's always called for. So try it that way and see if you can slowly get that up to tempo at the end.